Let's learn how to turn off or disable autocorrect on iPhone. In today's video, we're addressing a common frustration: autocorrect. Are you tired of your iPhone or iPad fixing typos when they are actually correct words? If so, then you should consider turning off autocorrect, which is an easy fix in settings. Here's how you can disable autocorrect on iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for General. Tap on it to access the General settings. Within the General settings, find and tap on Keyboard. This is where we'll find the autocorrect options. Now, look for the autocorrection toggle. Simply switch it off and you've successfully turned off autocorrect on your iPhone. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.